connectors, the GG series are range-taking and provide single-wrench installations. They're ideal for connecting fence gates to the main ground grid. Attaching copper cable to flat bar, steel, or pads can be accomplished by using Burndy's high-quality GB ground connectors. These connectors surround the conductor and separate it from the mounting surface. This design ensures greater surface contact area between the conductor and the flat steel structure. They also provide a convenient means of attaching to structural steel, as well as equipment. Burndy's GB connectors feature single wrench installation and are ideal for direct burial in earth or concrete. For less critical applications, the economical GBM connectors are also available. Burndy also provides for parallel taps on flat structural steel with the GC and GL connectors. These connectors can be used for tapping as well as connecting the structural steel to an emerging grounding conductor. Terminating connectors as well as double cable connectors and bar taps are also available. Burndy's superior engineering and manufacturing is clearly evident in our cable tray ground clamps. Only Burndy provides a unique smooth head rib bolt design which prevents rotation and enables the electrician to make single wrench installations. The smooth head helps protect the conductors from damage during their installation in a cable tray. These connectors are tin-plated and suitable for use with both aluminum and copper conductors. They also provide a convenient tap point to handle additional equipment grounding or connecting to other cable trays. Burndy's unique design also permits the installation of equal or unequal tap conductors. When used on aluminum, we recommend scratch brushing the conductor surface and applying Burndy's Penetrox A compound for long-lasting corrosion-resistant installations. Burndy is the leader and largest manufacturer of Servit post connectors, which are found in more installations than any other brand. Our design enables you to connect a continuous run after the connector is installed. The K2C provides a convenient tap-off capability, while the KC is used for single conductor. Both designs are rated for full current continuous duty as well as grounding applications. Contact Burndy for female and other design variations. Rounding out Burndy's line of mechanical connectors is a range of transformer ground connectors and a heavy-duty ground clamp to ground gasoline trucks, tank cars, and other vehicles where the danger of explosion from sparks or static electricity exists. Burndy's engineering is clearly demonstrated by the design of this clamp. It features a rugged copper alloy construction, providing better contact, and a life expectation many times that of conventional clamps. These connectors also feature an automatic safety release should the vehicle unexpectedly move from the grounded area. As we've shown throughout this presentation, Burndy offers reliable, cost-effective grounding systems that meet virtually every requirement. When you consider our dependable, high-quality grounding product designs, ease of installation, ability to handle your total grounding requirements, UL listing for direct burial, and our longevity, the Burndy line of high-quality grounding connectors is the product line to specify and use for all your grounding applications. Burndy, the leader in electrical connector design, is continually developing new products to meet the ever-changing needs of the electrical industry. Recognizing that electrical codes do not fully address the noise requirements of today's computers, Burndy introduces the Uniground connector. This unique connector provides a low-impedance ground path to effectively attenuate high-frequency interference, static, and 60 Hz transient noise. The Uniground connector preserves the signal reference grid integrity specified by leading computer manufacturers. Burndy's Uniground connectors can be used on both square and round support pedestals. And since they'll accommodate 1 or 2 wires ranging from number 8 through number 4 gauge, they clearly provide a universal solution for the specification writer. Because Uniground is a single bolt design, there's no need for disassembling the connector for installation. This permits a high-speed installation and eliminates possible errors in tightening multiple screws. Since one catalog number covers the entire application range, Burndy's Uniground connector eliminates ordering confusion and substantially reduces your inventory costs. Burndy's Uniground connectors feature a solid tin-plated bronze construction to resist corrosion from floor cleaning liquids or spilled fluids. They are CSA approved and will provide a long service life. For a 2-bolt application, Burndy offers the economical GP connectors. For more information on these products, contact our Customer Satisfaction Center or your Burndy representative. Commitment, to pledge oneself to a particular cause or goal. With today's competitive and deregulated markets, American companies are being challenged as never before. Faced with aging plants and distribution systems, American utilities are striving to remain the low-cost supplier of reliable electric power. American manufacturers, on the other hand, are actually undergoing a second industrial revolution to stay competitive with foreign products. Deregulation has imposed tremendous competitive pressures on the telecommunications industry, requiring a staggering expansion of services. The electrical contractor must also find new ways to reduce costs in a shrinking construction market. All these situations have one basic factor in common: the need for reliable suppliers that can design and deliver high-quality products on time and at a competitive cost. To meet these challenges, Burndy has established a Customer Satisfaction Center to combine and integrate all services that touch our customers on a day-to-day basis. These include product application services, order services, pricing administration, product distribution, and customer accounting. Our new facility has only one purpose: total customer satisfaction. In this way, we can close the loop, providing our customers the most cost-effective mix of products when and where they need them. Rapid order processing is only the beginning of Burndy's new commitment to its customers. The Customer Satisfaction Center is situated directly next door to our new divisional headquarters. Since these two facilities are located in close proximity to our electrical manufacturing plants, we've effectively broken down the geographic and communications barriers to achieving customer satisfaction. Between the divisional headquarters and the Customer Satisfaction Center, your Burndy representative has a powerful array of tools to satisfy your particular requirements, including direct access to divisional management, engineering, data processing, product testing, pricing, model shop, and the main warehousing facility. In the next few moments, we'd like to take you through our new Manchester facilities to give you a first-hand view of the resources available through your Burndy representative. Burndy has made the commitment to state-of-the-art engineering through widespread use of computer-aided design and manufacturing systems. Integrating our engineering with customer service, technical support, and manufacturing is the Burndy Electrical Engineering Data System, an optical data storage facility which provides instant access to virtually every specification Burndy has ever produced. Over 1 million specification documents are immediately available through this optical data system. To further back up our engineering and customer support personnel, Burndy has built a fully equipped testing laboratory